Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 2 how to sign on to your Instagram account using the application called GRIDS on a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you need to do is go all the way down to your dock and then click on the launch pad, search for an application called GRIDS. Once we have that, we can click on this, and then we need two things: the username and password. If we don't have that, you may be required to go to a playlist that has a video called How to Sign Up to Instagram. The link will be in the description and at the end of the video. So now we need the username, which I already know. computer.science.videos and my password. So now I can log in with Instagram, go to my homepage, and as you can see, we are now signed into Instagram using the application called GRIDS on our computer. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.